Tired of typing your Wise details every time someone needs to pay you? Generate a QR code in seconds and get paid instantly. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a payment request and turn it into a QR code that anyone can scan to send you money. Let's walk through it together. So start by logging into your Wise account. You'll want to be on the main dashboard. This is where all your account activity lives. Now, look at the top navigation area. You'll see an option that says Request. Go ahead and click that. This is the starting point for asking someone to pay you rather than you sending money out. I've tested this flow many times, and it's the quickest route to that QR code. From the Request menu, you need to select the Payment option. A drop-down or a new page will appear with a couple of choices. Don't overthink this one. You're looking for the button that says Request Payment. Click on it. This tells Wise exactly what you want to do, which is collect money from someone else. It's a simple step, but it sets the whole process in motion. Now, instead of entering recipient details, you're going to choose to share a link. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option that says Share a Payment Link. Click on that. Why do this? Because a link is much easier to send than typing out your full account details. And from that link, we can generate the QR code. So go ahead and select that option. Enter the amount you want to receive. This is straightforward. You'll see a field where you can type in the number. Let's say you're selling something for $50. Just type it in. You can also choose the currency from the drop-down menu right next to the amount field. A quick tip here. Double-check that the currency matches what you expect to receive. It's an easy thing to miss, and you want to make sure there are no surprises. Now, click the button to generate the link. You'll see a button that says Create Payment Link. Click it. This might take a moment to process, and there it is. Your unique payment link has been created. This link is directly tied to you and the amount you set. So anyone who clicks it will be taken straight to a page to pay you that exact amount. Now, access the QR code option for the link. Look for a small icon or button that says QR code. It's usually right next to the link you just created. Click on that. And here's the really important part. Wise generates a QR code specifically for this payment request. It's not a generic code. It's tied to the exact amount and currency you set, so you have complete control. The QR code appears ready to be scanned. A larger image will pop up on your screen. It looks just like the QR codes you see everywhere, but this one is yours. You can hold your phone up to it to test it yourself if you want. It directly links to that payment page we just created. No extra steps. You can download or share the QR code directly. There should be a download button or a share icon. Click Download to save it as an image to your computer or phone. Or if you're on a mobile device, you can share it straight to a messaging app, email, or even print it out. I like to save it to my photos so I can pull it up anytime. Once scanned, the payer completes the transaction on their end. When someone scans your QR code with their phone camera, it opens a payment page in their browser. They just confirm the details and hit send. The money lands in your Wise account. It really is that fast. And that's it. You've gone from needing to type out details every time to having a scannable QR code ready to go. Now you can get paid quicker and with less hassle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.